Welcome to Slice of Life Homes. We reimagine the path to home ownership by moving the entire process online. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to find your dream home right from our website. First, let's head over to the floor plans tab. Whether you're looking for a single wide, double wide, or even a triple wide unit, you can see our entire catalog here. This is your one-stop shop to browse every layout we offer, which factory direct pricing clearly list. Once a model catches your eye, just click to see the details. Here you'll find everything you need to make an informed decision. You can scroll through high-quality photos, check the exact home's dimensions and square footage. Want to feel like you're actually standing in the home? Many of our models include virtual tours and detailed floor plan layouts, so you can visualize the flow of the space before you ever step foot in a lot. Ready to move forward? Just click the Get Started button. Submit your contact info and we'll give you a call.